Good morning, student. Today we'll continue with the linear equation. Congruent triangles. In congruent triangle, the first sum today is an isosceles triangle ABC. Given that AB is equal to AC. Given that AB is equal to AC and bisector of B. This is bisector. Bisector means this is x, this is x, this is y, and this is y. Meet at O. Prove that OB is equal to OC and AO bisects angle A. We have to prove all the things by congruency. We'll go one by one. We know that angle B is equal to angle C. Isosceles triangle property. Therefore 2x is equal to 2y. Therefore x is equal to y. If x is equal to y in triangle OBC, x is equal to y, therefore OB is equal to OC. Now triangle AOB and triangle AOC. AB is equal to AC, that is given. BO is equal to OC, proved. And AO is equal to AO, that is common. Therefore, by SSS, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. CPCT, or we can say AO bisects angle 2. Triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular bisector. Given AD is perpendicular on BC and DB is equal to DC. Prove that ABC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 90, that is given. BD is equal to DC, that is also given. And AD is equal to AD, that is. Therefore, by this is SAS. By SAS, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Therefore, AB is equal to AC, CPCT. So, triangle ABC is an isosceles 3. Question number 3 is triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Given AB is equal to AC, that is given. BE and CF, BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB. Prove that these are equal. That means BE is equal to CF. Prove. We'll take triangle ABE and triangle ACF. AB is equal to AC, that is given. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, 90. angle A is equal to angle A, that is, therefore by property will be AAS. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Therefore, BE is equal to CF by CPC. Or we can separate the triangle also if we want to do. This will be ABE and this will be ACF. This was 90, this was equal to this, and both angles are right. Question number 4. Question number 4 is ABC is a triangle which altitude PE and CEF. Triangle ABC. In a triangle which BE and CF to the altitude BE and CF are the altitudes. They are equal altitudes. Given BE is equal to CF, prove that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. 2. Proof. If we take these triangles ABE, triangle ABE, ABE and ACF. Angle A is equal to angle A is common. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is 90. BE is equal to CF, it's given. Therefore, by AAS, triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Therefore, AB is equal to AC, CP, CT. Therefore, triangle ABE, ABC is isosceles, is an isosceles